go down. I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. You said you wanted to fall into.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video which is yesterday's continuation vlog. Hope you all are doing well. I'm staying safe. Guys, as I told you, it's a continuation vlog of yesterday's, and who have not seen yesterday's vlog, I'm gonna leave the link below. Who are interested, please go ahead and watch it. And now we just came to the second floor, guys, because we are feeling hungry after doing so much of shopping. Definitely we need to have something, right, guys? So we are just going for the Burger King, and of course it's a favorite for even my son. We just gave an order and we're just waiting, guys. Meanwhile, my son started acting too smart because I was making video on him. Our order is ready, guys. We just ordered for the burgers with the french fries and the Pepsi. And of course, we're gonna enjoy the lunch now. And just opposite to the Burger King, there is a game area, guys. My son saw that and he was just excited to go there. And very next to it, there is a bros and antique piece shop, guys, which is looking awesome. Only from the outside I just made the video, guys. Inside it is not allowed, and I just went inside and also I saw it is really awesome, guys. My son already entered the game area, guys. Now meanwhile I have a bit shopping in home center, so come on, guys, let's go. Home center came. Oh my god, the vibration started, guys. You know why? Looking at the atmosphere, so many things will be there, guys, to just decorate your home, which is made only to decorate, guys. And beautiful things are available to purchase here, guys, with a great quality with a reasonable prices. I just came here to purchase a bedsheet for kids room, but looking at the designs I really didn't like it, and according to my taste, of course different people have different tastes, no, guys. So finally I just selected one. Here I saw very cute displays, guys, how to decorate your home, and very cute, guys. They are very tiny in size, but so well they have decorated the displays. To show you guys, I just made this video. These are completely recliners, guys, all 5 seats with the center table. Here I'm gonna show you beautiful fountains, which is Lord Ganesha fountain, looking great, guys. Now I'm gonna show you Buddha fountain, which is with the background. Wow, it's amazing. Again, this is Lord Ganesha fountain, which is tiny one, but it is very cute. This is also very cute, guys. And I saw different types of chairs here. Let's have a look. This is a cute setup which they made, looking fabulous. Home center is an extensive and impressive range of furnitures, home furnishing, bed, bath and kitchenware. Who really want to furnish their home, wanna look really beautiful, then you have to visit one and only shop, that is Home Center. Guys, this is not the promotion video, my own experience, I'm just sharing with you. Guys, I'm done with the shopping. Now it's time for gaming. Yes, even I'm gonna have fun with my son. So here he started riding the bike. It's a bike game. Did you see, guys, how he's enjoying? Come on, he's feeling as if he's riding the bike. Guys, this is 5D movie which really gives a great thrill once we sit in that place. And my son really played for 3 times and he's not scared. He's really excited. This is one more type of game, guys. First time I'm seeing, but it is out of service. But better luck next time. Even I sat next to my son, guys, and let's gonna experience 5D movie. I'm gonna tell you how the experience was. Oh my god, I was really scared of heights, guys. This really thrills a lot. I was scared for speed also, and the chair was moving according to it, and I was really damn scared, guys. Can you see it? But really, it's fun, guys. We can enjoy. And now let's move on to the other game, which is bowling, which is my all-time favorite. I got nearly 150 tickets, and with the tickets, I'm gonna gift some toy for my son. This is again a very new game, guys. If we place this ring on that bottle, we're gonna get any toy from there. So let's give it a try. It's one game. We're gonna try 25 tries will be there. In that 25 tries, once if it falls also, we're gonna get any one of this toy. So let's give it a try. Oops, would not get any toy, guys. Better luck next time. Now we are going inside House of the Dead, which is going to be very scary. Let's give it a try. We need to shoot them. And here my son is going to try first. Then I'm going to try. This is House of the Dead, which means dead man will be coming forward. We need to shoot the dead man. We should not allow dead man to scratch the display. If the dead man scratch the display, it means scratching us. So we need to be very careful while playing this game. Now the game is over, guys. Now it's time for photo session. Yes, we're gonna have some pics from here because it's very cute area to take a cute pics. Here is a very cute train. He wanted to play but we not had time to that. And we're going back. This is the spin wheel where we have to spin, and whatever we're gonna get from there, they're gonna gift us. So let's see what we're gonna get. We got a gift voucher of 500 rupees, guys, from the trends. So anyways, guys, that's all for today's one. Let's catch up with the continuation vlog tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.